Welcome back, and in this module we're going to look at customizing the home page a little bit more. So we're going to tailor this theme that we've got for your DJ business, and we're going to make a few sort of basic menu items and piece the site together a little bit. So what you can see here now is I've got Photoshop open and I've created an image that I'm going to use on the home page of the site. Now, when you choose your theme, you're sort of looking at the way things are laid out, where the buttons are and all that sort of thing. But the other side to making your website look really cool is using professional images, and even if you have the skills to tailor your own sort of images. So what I've done here is I'm building a website, as I've said earlier, for a female DJ, and she wants to have her own female DJ business. So the business name we've chosen is Sunny Coast DJs, because she's up on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland of Australia. And so I've tried to sort of make some cool DJ looking image to go with the theme. So I'll quickly show you what I've done here. Now, if you're not an expert with Photoshop, that's cool. There is a website called Fiverr. You can Google that. You can probably get someone to make you a cool logo. And there's another website called Freepik. That's freepik.com. And on that website, you'll be able to get free images. So you'll be able to get some kind of like a full page DJ or party image that you can just whack in the background. But I've custom made something just to make it a little bit cooler. So what I've done here is I've actually got like a photo of a beach setting. I'm just going to hide some of the things that I've added here. So what I've done is I've literally just got a picture of a beach to go for the Sunshine Coast look and feel. I've pieced together a cool looking logo thing, and then I've added some extra sort of images, like these kind of cool lines and stuff, just to make it look a little bit digital and DJ like. And I've put a little kind of DJ picture here. Where is it? Okay, so we've got these shapes and things that I've added. I got this cool DJ pic here, and I put like a little, I think it's a Pioneer DJ controller. So that's how that looks. Yeah, look, if you're not a pro with Photoshop, go to one of those two websites, Fiverr or Freepik. Actually, there's another one called Canvas, and that helps you to make like some designs very easily without having the Photoshop skills. So let's go and check it out in the site. What I've done is I go to the website here, and here's how it looks. So I think it looks pretty cool. To put the image in, I've clicked Customize. That's going to show you some page settings that you can tweak. So let's have a look here. So, hero, I think that's where I put the image, front page hero, background, image, options. So I've put that image that I made in Photoshop, I've put that here. You can tweak a few things about the layout of the page, but I want it to be centered. Full height background, if I turn that off, I'm going to leave that on. So there are some more other settings here which affect the whole sort of layout of the page, so you can tweak that stuff here. If I click these parts, it actually takes me to the different pieces, and you can even rename these sections once you've customized them for your business. So what I've done here is I've set this button to get a quote, and later on we're going to link this up to our inquiry form. And I've assigned the other button to an About Us, and so we can also add an About Us page as well. Now, this theme, I chose this theme because it's pretty easy to update, and especially for someone who's starting out. You know, everything here, you can just click it and change it. So we can say, you know, high quality equipment. We use some of the best equipment, sound and lighting equipment to bring the ultimate atmosphere to your next event. So we're just going to put a little text thing for each one of these. All female DJs, so we're going to say we are a female only DJ service that we provide only female only DJs. I'm not sure what to say there exactly. We'll come back to that. And here we're going to say any music style you choose. So we'll say we have huge range of music covering the 50s to the 90s, including the latest top 40 hits. Cool. So as for the rest of the content down the page, I'm going to actually put this back to the business owner and ask her what she sort of wants to say on her homepage. So I can't just make all of this stuff up, but I'm going to replace a few of these images so you can see how easy it is to change things. So let me see, where have I got some cool DJ images? Maybe I'm going to go to my DJ business. So for now I'm just going to choose anything. Like this file is actually too big. You'll see that it is 1920 by 180 and it's 800 kilobytes. 800 kilobytes is too large of an image, and if you keep adding really large images, it's going to make the page load slowly, and you don't want that. So yeah, you'll have to find a way to optimize your image sizes, but for now I'm just going to put anything here just to show you how quickly we can customize this website. Choose one more DJ image here. Let's choose this one for now. There's been an error. Skip cropping. Okay, cool. So you can see that it's super easy to change these images, so you shouldn't have a problem customizing the website. I kind of like how it says a few things we're great at. You know, she can think of it, the features and the benefits, and that depends on who you are, whether you're a DJ business or a club DJ or what you're doing, as to what you want to say here. But I'm sure like it's really easy to customize these icons. So it's very customizable, all the different things on the page. Tons of icons to choose from, which is cool. I like that. Come down a bit further, the secret of success. So once again, you know, we need to think about the content that we're going to say on the website. We need to think about the type of images we want to put here, and that's something you're going to have to go back and prepare. You know, maybe taking photos at events, and yeah, you know, photos at events, photos of your equipment, you know, all sorts of, and even if you go to that free pick website, you'll be able to find some cool images that you can put here. Definitely testimonials. If you can collect some testimonials, highly recommend you do that. It's going to help you get bookings. So you're going to put that all stuff here, and look, even here it's got like a join us right now. It'll only take a minute, so we can just say, you know, get a quote now. It'll only take a minute. Just say get a quote. Yeah, that's it. Fit it on one page, and then say get a quote. I really love this theme. Like, it's so easy to customize, and it's just, I really like the design. So here is where, you know, if you're doing a DJ business with a team of DJs, you know, you can actually put your DJ names here. So the DJ who's starting this business is Karina. So Karina, I think it's Kelly, yeah. So I'll put that in there. And then she'll be able to actually just put an image there. Now, initially, I think when she's starting out, she's probably not going to put a full thing of DJ profiles here, but that's something you can think about what you want to do. And then, once again, to change images, it's easy as clicking the pencil thing, and then you'll be able to change that. Latest news. Now, I assume this is going to take information straight from the blog. Now, the blog is something where you're going to put, you know, top 5 things to look for on a DJ, or how to choose the best questions to ask your DJ before you put down a deposit. Those kind of things are going to put in your blog, and then they'll show up in this section here. And contact us is where you're going to put your inquiry form. Now, in a later module, I'm going to show you a CRM that I use for my DJ business. It's actually something that I've created myself, and you'll be able to just put an inquiry form right in here, and people will be able to get an automatic quote. So I might actually show you an example right now. I'm going to go to the app and get the embed code so we can put it in there now and see how it looks. So the app that I've created is called Event Master Pro. You can find it at eventmasterpro.com. If you want right now, you can go and get a 30-day trial, but I'm going to run over this stuff, run over the app in more detail in a later module. So this is the login. We're going to go to Forms, Query Form Setting, and I want to get this code. So we've got this embed code. We'll come to the website, and here I'm going to paste that in. Now, it looks very good. That's how it sort of comes out on the page. And I like this theme, you know, even more because the inquiry form fits so well in this space here. Now, you can see that the button is not showing at the bottom. So we're going to actually make the height a bit more. So we're going to change that from 1300 to 1400. Great. And now we can see the buttons there as well. And now I'm going to save this, publish, and then we're going to go and look at the front end of the website. Alright, so we can see the things I've added, and down the bottom we have the inquiry form. How cool is that? So from here on, it's up to you to, you know, customize the website. As I said, you're going to have to think what kind of pages you want. You will probably want to have some kind of About Us page that you add to the menu. You want to have the privacy policy, but normally you don't need that on the main menu. The privacy policy could be put into the footer somehow. Normally you might put that link in the footer menu. Now let me actually show you that now, how we can edit the main menu. So we go into Appearance, go to Menus. I just have to pause the camera for a moment, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Now, so once you come into the back end, you're going to go to Appearance, Menus, and here you're going to see the main menu. So you can literally move things around, put the home up there, remove front page, blog down there, and when you create a page, it will just automatically show up here, and then you can just click Add to Menu and then add it to the menu and save. Now it's actually saying create your first menu above. I think it's got like a default menu that it's put right here, which is just all the pages. When I click create menu, it's going to change it. Now, for me to set that as the menu, I have to say click that to primary menu. Let's come back, check this out. Cool. So that's our menu up there. If you want to do a footer menu, you have to go to, what you'll do is you'll create a new menu. So you'll click here, create new menu. We're going to say footer menu. Create menu. Now this is where I want to put the privacy policy. Maybe I'll put another link to the home page. Save that. Now we're going to go to Appearance, Widgets. So go to Widgets, and normally there will be a footer section here. So here we go, Footer, First Box, Widgets. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a navigation menu. And from here, we're going to type Footer menu. You can even call it the Footer menu. And we come back here, refresh the page. And it should be around here somewhere. Let's see what's going on. Where is it? Widgets. First box widgets. Footer. First box. Let me try second. I'm not sure where this footer section is. Okay, we'll come back to that, but that is the method. Depends on the theme. Every theme is different. So yeah, you'll just literally go to widgets, you'll add a navigation menu, but you'll also have to create the menu itself first so that you can choose that from the drop down of menus. So that's pretty much it for the customizing of the home page. From here on, you're going to create all your main pages. Like I said, contact us, about us. You're going to add photos, images. You're going to change all the content on the page, customize it to your business, and then you'll be well on the way to making your website. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this module, and I'll see you in the next module.